In this video, I would like to share the step-by-step process on how you can fix the marketplace not showing on Facebook. So please make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first step is to open your application Facebook. Here in the shortcut bar, you can see that there is no any option where it says marketplace. So in order to fix this problem, what you need to do is click on this three horizontal line. Tap on settings and privacy. Head over to settings. In the section of preference, you can see the option of shortcuts. Click on it. Move into shortcut bar. Here in this page, you can see the option of marketplace is hidden. So what you need to do is click on this option and click on auto. Now if you want to place this marketplace into your shortcut bar, what you need to do is pin this option. Now your marketplace will be shown to your shortcut bar. So let's go back and check it out. Right now it's not visible here, so you need to go back and once again open the application Facebook. There you go, the marketplace option has been set into your shortcut bar. So this is the end of the video and I hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on my next video.